I welcome you all in this session. Today we are going to construct a non-deterministic finite automata that accept set of all strings over A and B, where every string must ends with a substring AB. So first we will try to find the sigma here, that is A and B. Language L will be infinite. Here we have to accept a string like AB, AAB, BAB, AB, AB, and BAAB, and so on. So here we have to accept all these strings. So now we will try to construct the NFA. Here, in order to construct the NFA, we have to make a transition in such a way that only after scanning a substring AB, the transition will reach to the final state, so that that string will be accepted. Means there may exist any number of A and any number of B before the occurrence of substring AB at the end. So here we will check for the input AB starting from the initial state A. We can either move to state A itself on input small a, or we can move from state A to state B on input small a. In NFA, a string is said to be accepted only when any of the possible transition will reach to the final state, then that string is said to be accepted. So here we can see, when we are considering the transition starting from the initial state A on input small a, it is moving to the state B, and from the state B on scanning small b, we are reaching to the final state. So this string AB will be accepted. Now we can check for the input AAB. Starting from the initial state A on input small a, our next state will be A. Now scanning small a from state A, our next state will be B. Now on scanning small b from state B, our next state will be C, and C is the final state. So the string AAB will be accepted. Now we will check for the BAB. Starting from the initial state A on input small b, our next state will be A. From state A on input small a, the next state will be B. From state B on input small b, the next state will be C, and C is the final state. So the input BAB will be accepted. Similarly, we can check for the input ABAB. starting from the state A on input small a, next state will be A. From state A on input small b, next state will be A. From state A on input A, next state will be B. From state B on input small b, next state will be C, and C is the final state. So the string AB will also be accepted. Now we can check for the input AB. Starting from the initial state A on input small b, next state will be A. On input small a, from state A, the next state will be A. On input small a, from state A, the next state will be B. From state B on input small b, the next state will be C. And C is the final state. So the string BAAB will be accepted. So this NFA will accept all these strings and all the string that ends with substring AB. So this is the desired NFA. It will accept the given language. So this is all from my side for today's session. Thank you for joining.